Hello everybody, welcome to Production Music Live. My name is Guido, I'm over from Cat and Beats, and we made another mixing and mastering tutorial series slash you sitting here and we go over every single part of this genre, which is called a future-based genre. And the song is Shipwrecked. It's a template from Production Music Live, which first sounds like this. So let's just go straight to the drop. So it definitely sounds pretty good, and then after it sounds like this. As you heard, there are some added things in there as well. There's an 808 drop, there's stabs in there now, the whole mix sounds different, there's a different kick, there's a different whole snare thing, so we did a lot to get the sound to where it is. And in fact, we're gonna have 3 different mastering sessions throughout the tutorial series, and also 3 different mixing sessions as well, to finally get it to where it is. Quite some awesome amount of work. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the series. This is kind of what it is. I will now play the song throughout and click on things, and then you can hear the whole song in its entirety and see what you think of it. That's the whole track. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the whole session. Bye.